create an animated presentation like this in Canva. Let me show you how it's done. Alright, first open Canva and click on Create a Presentation to start with a blank slide. Once the presentation is open, press R on your keyboard to add a rectangle shape. Move this rectangle to the left side of the slide and change its color to whatever you like. This rectangle will act as one grid section of our layout. Now, repeat the same process to create more grids. Duplicate the rectangle, move it to the right side, and apply a different color. I want to create 4 grids in total, so I'll quickly duplicate and arrange them until I have all 4 sections ready. Once they're created, select all the rectangles together, place them in the top left corner, and then increase their width and height so they properly cover the slide area. Next, add the text you want inside each grid section. This could be titles, headings, or short descriptions depending on your presentation content. After that, go to the elements and add any image you like for the front page. Once the image is added, go to Position, open Layers, and move the background image layer to the top. Resize it to full screen. Then add your main text on top of it. Now select all the front page elements along with the background and group them together. After that, duplicate the page. On this new page, move the front page group to the right side so the first grid becomes visible. Then, duplicate this page again and move the front page further to reveal the second grid. Repeat this same process for all the grids until each section is revealed on a separate slide. Once all the pages are ready, click on the transition icon between the slides and choose Match and Move. Increase the duration slightly to make the animation smoother, and then apply this transition between all pages. Now your animated presentation is complete, and this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now, if you want to learn more amazing presentation styles in Canva, make sure to watch the next video. In that video, I'll show you how to create a presentation using morph style transitions, so don't miss it. I'll see you there.